Seventh question, the ratio of a radii of two right circular cone of a same height is. So what they mention of the same height. So both having a same height. So H, they didn't mention anything. Okay. So the first one cone I am having, so ratio, right? So ratio means a ratio of the radii, ratio of the radii. So how can you write ratio? 1:3. So in normal format, how can we write? X, right? So R1 equal to X, R2 equal to, how can I write this? Something number is common, right? So I am taking that as X term. So this is 1 and 2. So I am having in this place X. In this place my radius is 3x. Okay. Then find the ratio of their CSA, curved surface area. So both the ratio they are asking when the height of each cone is 3 times the radius of the smaller cone. So height of the ratio is 3 times of its small, means the radius. Radius how you are taking x. So h is 3 times of x. If it is 3 times of x means obviously it's also 3 times of x. Are you clear? So what they mention, h1 also 3x, h2 also 3x. Okay, now I need a L1 and L2 because they are asking a ratio. What we are going to find? The ratio of the CSA, ratio of CSA, right? CSA. Are you clear? So we are going to find out ratio of the CSA. So what is your formula? Cone formula is, what's my cone formula? Pi RL. So the ratio means pi RL. So R1 L1 division of pi R2 L2. If you're dividing, you're getting a ratio, right? So I'm getting like this. But I need a L1 and L2, right? By using this. So we know, right? L1 equal to root of what? This is my part. So root of L, addition of this. R square plus H1 square. L2, what I am getting? R2 square plus H2 square. So L1 equal to, what is R1? X square 3x the whole square. So L1 equal to x square plus this is what? 3 square is 9. X square is x. So L1 equal to root of addition of this 10x square. So I can write root 10 x square. How can I write? Root 10 x into x. So I am having 2x, right? So I can write 1x outward. Are you clear? So this is my L1 value. Then my L2 value, substitute in this place. R2 is 3x the whole square. H2 is 3x the whole square. Then 9x square plus 9x square. So what's the L2? So addition of this is 18x square. So it's mean what? 3 into. So 18 how can I write? 2 table 9 times. 3 table 3. So 2 into 3 into 3 into x into x. Right? So L2 equal to, how can I write? 3 I can take common. X I can take. So but 2 is not take, right? So L2 equal to 3 root 2 x. Why I am writing? Are you clear? Because I can take 1 3 out, 1 x out, but root 2 is not taking. So I am having like this. So CSA ratio equal to pi R1 L by pi R2 L. So pi you can cancel directly. So no need to worry about that. Put as it is pi. No need to put it 22/7. So what is your RL? X. What is your L1? Root 10 into X. What is your R2? 3x. What is your L2? 3 root 2 into x. Okay, in this place I can cancel root this and this x and this x, this x and this x. Then what can I have? Root 10, how can I write, ma? 5 into 2 by 3 into root 2, right? Root 2 time we already know 5, both the term root 2 means root 5 into root 2, right? So root 5 into root 2 by multiplication is 9 into root 2. This root 2 cancel. So CSA, so ratio of the CSA root 5 by 9. Therefore ratio of the CSA is equal to root 5 is to 9. This is the answer, ma'am. Okay.